Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 8. S8 requires you to apply relevant organizational theories. Your goal is to prove you understand the business context, not just the technology. The requirement is simple: use a recognized framework, like change management or strategy, to solve a non-technical problem in your project. Think of these theories as playbooks. Don't guess how to handle a rollout or a difficult stakeholder. Use a proven theory to guide you. To pass S8, you need to apply at least one of these 4 theories. 1. Change management. This is about helping users adapt. Your action is to create a communication plan or user guide. 2. Marketing approaches. This is about selling your idea internally. Use the 4P seconds to plan how you will announce a new feature. 3. Strategic practice. This is about alignment. Action. Link your project goals directly to the company's annual report goals. 4. ITSM. This is about professional service. Action. Show evidence of logging tickets, managing incidents, and using formal change control. Here is your action plan for tomorrow. If you are in software or data, before you launch, write a release email focusing on user benefits. That's marketing. Create a user guide. That's change management. If you are in network or cyber, when you plan an upgrade, fill out a change request form. This is valid ITSM evidence. If you are a consultant or BA, in your next report, add a section called Strategic Alignment and link your solution to business KPIs. And for everyone, find the company mission statement. Quote it in your project documentation to prove strategic awareness. Use this STAR structure for your portfolio. Situation: we were deploying Project X which required user behavior change. Task: I needed to ensure the business adopted the solution. Action: this is critical, you must name the theory. I applied change management principles by designing a training plan to reduce resistance. I also applied strategic practice by aligning the project KPIs with the company's growth target. Result: user adoption was high. Reflection: I learned that using frameworks reduces risk in deployment. For your major project, S8 is mandatory. Include strategic context in your introduction. Why does the business care? Include an implementation plan in your execution chapter. This covers change management. Include support and maintenance in your handover chapter. This covers ITSM. Use the specific terminology like stakeholder analysis or service level agreement to score high marks. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.